Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean when I say 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious on this one today, but quite an eventful day, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So, a lot of eyeballs on it. But now that the dust has settled, things are not looking so well. And, in fact, from a presentation kind of trading perspective point of view, this is what I'd essentially call a pump and dump. And I'm not saying pump and dump. I don't know anything about the company, so I'm not saying this is like some company being run out of a bunker in North Korea. I'm just saying that based on how the price acted. So from a price action perspective, this has essentially been a total pump and dump on the day. And to offer up a little bit more context, the key break that occurred was getting up above that level of resistance there at 35 cents, where if you go through the history of things, you can see 35 cents was a very stubborn level. So right there is where the big breakout started. And that's, the kind of the first step of everything is, well, a pump and dump usually has a great move associated with it. And yeah, this right here, that was a great move. There's no doubt about that. Then the second part of the definition of a pump and dump is usually most things happen in a very quick amount of time. And I mean, considering this all happened in the same exact day, I think we can all agree this happened in a relatively short amount of time. Then the final part is the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases even lower. So again, where did we say all this started? Well, it started on the breakout point right here. But now where did the price close? Right back well down below that area. And in fact, right back inside of that range where it just was. Now, am I saying that the price can never make another move back to the upside? Absolutely not. But that's what brings about the first key level to watch going forward. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is going to be any sort of recovery at all, 35 cents is going to be that, definitely the very important level to watch from the resistance side of things. If the price continues to pull back, then the must-hold level of support is down there at 33, and must hold for no other reason other than this level has a big track record of holding strong. And if the price were to go down there and then just break down through there, that would be a massive flaw and a massive red flag that the bears are just picking up that much more strength. So overall, though, yeah, as far as how I would summarize today's price action, a pump and dump, but we'll see if the price can try to recover or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.